So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply the feather blur option inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and import out an image right here. So let me just go ahead and import out this car image that I have right here. So in order to go ahead and apply the feather blur effect to this particular picture, I need to go around under the effects menu, then go to blur right here. And here you can see that feather is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the edges right here has feather around them. So you can go around over here and change around the width, and you can see that you get the feather right here. You can see the midpoint right here. You can go around and change it out as well, just like this, as you can see, and you get this particular effect right here. So right now the effect is curved. So if I were to go around over here, the effect is curved. You can go for a more linear type of effect or Gaussian type of effect, as you can see right here as well. So you can choose what type of the feather effect that you want on the image. So that is how you can apply the feather effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.